Hey Eric, this is a video note for you. I'm not going to be publishing this online. I just wanted to send it to you to give you a quick visual. I've come I've come full circle that I think the best way to do this is to continue with using pods for your parking layouts. As long as you know the oversize that you need to make the parking space so that when you angle it, you have that full 9 foot by 18 foot space. I think you're in pretty good shape, and it's a whole lot quicker to do it this way. So I'm going to show you real quick what's going on here. Here, let's go to your green lot 90. So this is where we turned it on the 90. And so now I'm going to look at the sizing of this. And so we're going to put number of booths 39. And then we're going to put 18 feet by 9.5 feet. So the 9.5 feet is what's going to give you your full 9 feet when you turn it on an angle. The number of aisles is 8. The width of your aisles is 24. And then important here, we're going to make this a horizontal layout, and you'll see more about how that works here. And we'll start out with our booth number at 100. We'll use a normal white with black letter booth here to create the parking space. And here it is. Now we drag it into place. And I think as long as you leave at each end that 4 feet of space so that you can skew it to angle, you're in good shape and you can lay it out. Now, of course, up here, you're going to want to go ahead and click on that and delete. And you'll have to delete by hand across that row, but it's a heck of a lot faster than dropping in those icons. Now, if you really like that yellow outline background, you can go here to this asterisk and choose, drop it down and go down till you get to your yellow box, hit OK there. Now, when I hit new again, the pod always drops in to the right if it's a second pod, and this yellow, this triangle is highlighted, which means that pod is active. If I hit new again, it'll put it right to the right. We'll still have to drag it into place. And so you can do different types of outlining colors if you want to see the texture of the ground behind it. But I mean, there you go. We've spent just 2 minutes, and we've essentially laid out your entire parking space area. There is some time involved with trimming it out, like I say, in terms of cutting out these outside rows. But it's, again, really a lot quicker. And when we get into your other spaces, if you'll give me a call, I sure don't mind doing the first layouts with you so that you get proficient on using these pods. I am going to keep working on the angling icons that we can substitute in for these white booths and see if we can fool this thing into making the angles without having to, as we're doing here, factoring in that these things, when they're laid out, the tails will be moved over 4 feet. Well, that's it. Give me a call and when you get a chance, and we'll keep at this. Thanks again.